Do you need a fully adjustable blow-off valve that you can control from the cabin? This is the Go Fast Bits Deceptor Pro 2. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me I have the Go Fast Bits Deceptor Pro 2 blow-off valve. Now this thing is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and check it out. So, right inside, of course you've got a thing that says this side up. All right, we can do that. And we're just gonna slide this whole thing out. All right, so of course, on top you have instructions on how to hook this thing up. And I'm gonna explain to you why you might need instructions with a blow-off valve. Now, of course, you also have a cool Go Fast Bits sticker. And let me see if I can figure out how to pull this out without making a mess here. And looks like we've got hardware too. Okay, cool. So I think that's about it. So this is gonna be specific for the 02 to 07 WRX and then the 04 Plus STI. Of course, you know that flange design, right? So you might be wondering, wow, Rick, that's really cool. What is this wire sticking out of this blow-off valve? Well, I'm gonna tell you. So it comes with this controller as well. And of course, you're gonna hook this controller up to that. You're gonna wire in power ground, and you have a fully adjustable blow-off valve. You can open this thing up, close it down, which means you can make it fully recirculating or fully atmospheric, depending on your preference with the flick of a wrist, right? And of course, it does come with new hardware. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need a fully adjustable blow-off valve? And honestly, that's a really good question because, first of all, it's cool. It's fun to be able to switch from, you know, essentially a stock sounding blow-off valve that's still going to offer better performance than factory to a fully atmospheric valve for that definitive whoosh sound, you know, that definitive blow-off valve sound that everybody seems to want. And so you have the option with this particular blow-off valve, and you can go for a mixture of in between, so you can make it like a standard 50-50 or hybrid valve to give you some sound and the benefit of returning air back into the system. Installation is pretty simple. Of course, you're gonna hook up your power ground, run your wires, mount this somewhere inside the cabin, and it's as simple as turning that to adjust the blow-off valve. Now, in Australia, it is illegal to have a atmospheric blow-off valve. I don't know why, but this came out of necessity in Australia because, you know, the Australians want their sound, but if you drive by a police officer, turn it down, you've got a fully recirculating valve the way the law intended you to have. But once you know, are in the back country or something like that and you want some extra noise, you can just crank that thing up and you get yourself the extra beautiful turbo sounds that everybody so desires. So that was really the whole point of it, but I think it's just a really cool piece, even here in the United States or in, well, any other country, just to have that adjustability, I think is really neat. Maybe one day you're feeling, you know, extra saucy and you wanna, you know, show off and have that extra sound. You can just simply turn it and you're good to go. And you wanna quiet it down, you can do that as well. So it's just a really cool concept and a really high quality blow-off valve that is going to be better than stock. It's gonna be able to hold more boost than stock. It's gonna be able to release pressure quicker than stock. But you have the full adjustability, which is really neat. Definitely check it out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.